I couldn't settle, as some have done. Maybe when I get as old as Mohammed Parvisi, my father-in-law. His house is big. He lets the shepherds move his flock. Politicking is more his line. Another 10 migrations at least for me before I go that way. Rashidi, the trader. He's extorted so many sheep from my people. Let me bring my flock and come with you, he asked. I'm afraid to travel alone through the mountains. Of course, Rashidi, I said. I will only ask for 20% of your profit. He will add to his flock on the way. Those tribes that never leave the mountains. They wait for the traders to come to them. Rashidi won't give them much for the sheep he takes. But the mountain people have little choice. The first few days are hard. The people aren't used to it. They're still thinking of the winter quarters. That sun is hot. Loose packs. The animals get rubbed raw. No one ties a good knot for the first 3 days. I won't stop. Not before the oak trees. That's where the foothills end and the mountains begin. I have a special campsite there. I'd hate to find it taken by another Marl. My children are spoiled. They'll be coming by car. Not like Golbahar, carrying a sister. She knows already what our migrations mean for us. Mendani. Now there's a real Babadi. He's experienced everything, all his life, moving with the animals in the mountains. A brand on the cheek is difficult to disguise. Sheep without a head is worth little to a thief. I am careful, this year especially. I don't want my lambs mixed up with Rashidis.
ستاره آسمون آسمون نقش زمینه خودم انگشتر رو یارم نگینه خودم انگشتر رو یارم فیروزه بیا بازی کنیم دنیا دو روزه ریکا جان آی ریکا جان ریکا جان آی ریکا جان ریکا جان تو بستی ادامه دستمال دسته